Hey fellas, mechanic Mo here, and today we are going to do transmission fluid replacement on a 2016 Dodge Charger RT all-wheel drive. So I lifted it up all the way. I did also replace the headlights. I'll post that video on my YouTube channel too. But let me show you the transmission. I did start already to remove the fluid. So as you see, I did unscrew the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I did unscrew a little bit this one, just to make sure, you know, to drop the oil pan a little bit down so we can drain the transmission, because for some reason Dodge thought it's not a good reason to make a hole and then put a cap in the oil pan. I don't know what was that for, but yeah, this is probably the only way to drain the transmission. That's the screws. So what we're gonna do now, you want to make sure you hold the oil pan and unscrew all the way down the 2 left bolts, and very slowly, keeping it straight, like straight, make sure you drop all the fluid. So this is what I was saying. See, the oil pan is filled up with oil, with the fluid, and this is how it looks after you drop the oil pan. Guys, let me show you how to remove the filter. It's very easy, just like that. And make sure you got this over something, not to drop oil everywhere on the floor, because this is filled up with fluid. That's it. Now we gotta wipe everything, wash, and put the new gasket and new filter, put the oil pan back, tighten it up, and fill up the transmission with a new fluid. Alright, this is the way how everything looks clean. It's all washed and wiped. This is brand new filter. And here is the oil pan, dry and clean. Also, don't forget to clean, wash, and put back the magnet. I'm going to put the new gasket. These are going to be the pictures where to locate the transmission fluid dipstick. Remove the cap and fill the transmission with new fluid. So fellas, for some reason the video with me filling up the transmission with new fluid just got lost. I don't know what happened, but I'll be quick and I'm gonna use a different video. This video doesn't make anything sense to refilling the transmission, but I'm just gonna let you know I did refill the transmission with 5.3 quarts of Mopar transmission fluid. I got the fluid from the official dealer. I'm using the VIN number. They'll let you know what kind of fluid you'll need. In a total fill, it needs 8.1 quarts. So in case you guys are draining the transmission completely with the torque converter, you'll take 8.1. In my case, I did remove only the oil pan and the filter, so I have to add 5.3 quarts. This is what I did, and the car worked very well. To make sure you got the right amount in transmission, get a dipstick and check it after you refill the transmission. That was mechanic mode. See you next time. Bye.